Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Airspace above 500 feet is considered public domain. Just like public roads, sidewalks, etc., this public airspace is controlled by the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration. So no, you can't tell an airline to stop flying over your house.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Air is cooler at night than day, at least near the ground. Cooler air is more dense. The density of the air diminishes with altitude, so if the air the plane is flying in is more dense, then that's like flying in lower air.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Call local law enforcement. But if you do think a drone is being used in an intrusive way, Alcalay advises contacting local police instead of taking matters into your own hands. If you're a peeping Tom, it doesn't matter what technology you use, she said.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The court ruled that the landowner owns at least as much of the space above the ground as he can occupy or use in connection with the land. U.S. vs. Cosby at page 264. Everything above was navigable airspace, available to the public.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.